I was scratching and give it to my friend.
That's evil.
Like, hey bro, you gotta check out number 4. Number 4 hits different, and he's like.
I think that some of your JP viewers, Luca, are trying to like follow along in the conversation, but because of how fast we're talking and talking over each other, I saw one comment that just said, "listening to Taihenda." Like it was so hard to hear what we were saying.
Nihongo.
大丈夫。今から日本語で喋りますよ。
なら日本語にしようね。
Konbanwa, this is English learning advanced level. We will not be slowing down. This is for
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
this is for advanced
Konnichiwa.
business level English speakers.
Awards.
Konbanwa.
That's what he says.
Oh look, the entire chat just became Japanese.
よろしくお願いします。僕は悪魔です。
今日はピザを食べます。ピザを食べます。じゃじゃじゃじゃじゃじゃじゃじゃじゃじゃじゃじゃじゃじゃいただきます。
Why did you say ja ja ja? Were you laughing in Spanish?
Like, well.
Oh, I thought you were laughing in Spanish. Ja ja ja.
死んだよ。
おいしい。
おいしい。